simple tapping exercise. Although I'm playing it really fast, it's not too difficult to do. It only takes place on these two bottom strings, and we're tapping on the 12th fret, okay, here, and it's going to be 8 and 5, and then 8 and 5. That's all. And we're going to do it without distortion first, so you can hear what that sounds like. So the pattern stays the same for the most part, and then we just move it up a string, and then we're going to move it to the 11th fret, and we're going to... Okay, so we're going to add distortion. Let's see what that sounds like. That's the first part. The second part is... Alright, so there you go. That's a pretty simple exercise, and then you can incorporate that in your solos however you like. I would recommend just going really slow in the beginning. Just get this part down first, because this is the main part. So work on that, and then you can speed it up through time. Once you get comfortable, then you can start moving it up string, and then eventually you can work that pattern, which is essentially just moving it down one fret, and the tapping, you're just moving it down one fret as well. Alright, hope you enjoyed that. Don't forget to give the video a thumbs up, and please don't forget to subscribe for more videos just like this. I'll see you on the next one.